Okay, so now we're going to go over bulk export by color palette. So I have 8 colors saved in my color palette. So you're going to get 8 different alpha sets. And this set here is TCG alpha set. It comes preloaded with the app, and it has 40. It has 26 letters, the 10 numbers, and I think 4 or 5 characters. Let's see what it says in the gallery. So all of your alpha sets, you should be able to see what comes. You should get a preview of all of your alpha sets. So you have a collection here, and then you have the what's in each collection here. Okay. So yeah, we have exclamation, at symbol, question mark, and okay. Okay. So let's see. The main outline is black, and then we have the all outline is white. So all letters will have those colors for their outline and alt outline. And we have the blend mode for flat on both of those. Okay, and opacity at 100%. Okay, so also I did not, I unchecked auto generate mockups just to save time. Um, but if you have this checked, each set will get its own set of mockups. And if you wanted to, it's going to export as a PNG, but you could also export it as a layered PSD and take it to Photoshop and do some more things if you wanted to. But that means each letter would be its own PSD though. Okay. Um, so, and it's letting you know that you're going to get a full set for each of the 8 colors. And each color is going to be in its own subfolder. If we unchecked it, everything will just be in the main output folder. So we're going to click yes, and let's open up the output. So let's see, we have the green first, so it should be on that, and we have the progress bar at 10%. Okay, so it's already finished the green already. Okay, it's working on the pink. Okay, it's done with that one. Okay, working on the yellow. And you see how it gives you the color and it gives you the hex code. Okay. Okay, so now it's doing the blue. Let's go back up here to see. Okay, so next should be the peach. Okay. And purple. Okay. Aqua. And then blue. Okay, that's pretty fast. So it's 97%, 98%. So it took 1 minute and 14 seconds to create 320 files, and it says, "Thank you, Tiffany." Okay. Okay. That's pretty neat. So you got 8 alpha sets in 1 minute and 11 seconds in each folder, and each folder has the color. And when you're doing creating these color palettes here, you can name it yourself. Like, let me add another color to it. Just gonna do this one, and it prompted me to name it. I'm just, what color is this? It's pretty though. It's gonna say hunter green. It's not really hunter, but I'm just gonna put hunter green. And you can just name it whatever you want, and it'll add it to your color palette. And for the next update, I'm gonna have color profiles to where you can save different color palettes. So that'll be a free upgrade. Okay, so we're done with this section. So catch me in the next video. We're gonna go through different features of the app. So please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.